Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. Well, there it is. Outside your preferences. Here's a garbage trip, 25 minutes. Somebody snapped it up already, but that's not the point. So once in a while I do deliveries, right? So I actually updated the app today. I'm on manual updates. I don't do automatic updates because I don't want every single update to appear. So in order for me to do that, I go there, manage apps, right? It's on all manual. Like, see where it says 4 updates pending? And there it is. Those are the updates available. So I go pick and choose, by the way. I don't accept every update, so I'm not going to do it. I usually do it when I'm with Wi-Fi connection. But that's one other tidbit for you guys. Always do manual updates. You don't need every single update that they push on you because they're full of bugs anyway. But that's not the point. The point is, as you guys can see, I'm online. It says finding trips, right? So today I just wanted to do a few deliveries, test a couple of things in my neighborhood, right? So I have my preferences only for deliveries. I don't have connect, anything else picked up, correct? And it says up top in that kind of beige line, filtering trips based on preferences, right? Okay, Uber, what the F? If I only have deliveries picked up or picked out, why are you showing me rideshare trips on TripRadar? This just appeared after the update that I did. Okay? There is a reason there is preferences, Uber. You're infringing upon my privacy. It's my choice what to do, what not to do. Do I have anything else? Click that, Uber? No. Do I have UberX Share, Comfort, anything picked out, Intercity picked out, which is another whole new can of worms you guys opened on drivers. We don't even know what the hell is going on there. But I would like to remind Uber, on my preferences page, it clearly says filtering trips based on preferences. Well, Uber, my preference today is only do deliveries. No packages. I only want to do food deliveries. It's 5:16 in LA. I should be getting a couple. I mean, you know, it's not as lucrative as rideshare, but the point I'm trying to make is, like you guys saw in the video, this is, by the way, how the delivery app looks. You know, those little homes, those are supposed to be busy areas. Again, more hocus pocus, honestly. I've seen so many of those, I'll be right under it and I wouldn't get any orders, but that's not the issue. The issue is Uber is forcing, literally on TripRadar, rideshare trips, UberX, UberShare, Uber Comfort trips, only on TripRadar though. And this is also happening while I'm driving. You know, it makes that annoying noise. I'm like, I don't want to see that, Uber. I only want to do deliveries. If you're giving me choices for preferences, you should stay by that. You should respect what I'm trying to do as an independent contractor. Don't force garbage on me. I don't want to do any rideshare today, right? What does Uber constantly talk about? Freedom, flexibility. Well, you're kind of taking my freedom and flexibility away. I don't want to be bothered with other garbage. It's bad enough that I'm doing deliveries with garbage. I don't want to be bothered with the rest of it. I mean, you guys saw it right at the opening of the video. If I want to do only deliveries, specifically food delivery, no package, nothing else, no rideshare, I should be allowed to do that, Uber. This is definitely going to my contacts at Uber. So, with all that said, you all stay healthy, be safe. Do you see this? Are you seeing this in your app? Because this just showed up today. Until today, this was not the case. So does that mean now if I just want to do deliveries, I cannot do just deliveries? You guys going to bother me with this annoying TripRadar noise? That noise? And actually, it's super unsafe. I don't want to be bombarded with garbage TripRadar because I told Uber's system I only want to do deliveries today. Respect the flexibility that you highly talk about, Uber. Don't send me anything else. There's a reason I only want to do deliveries today. So, with that said, I know I'm ranting, but I'm pissed. Now I'm going to go actually download an older version of the app without this garbage on it. And I'll do another video for you guys on that. If you're on Android, you're able to go back to the older version of the app. But not the point. So you all stay healthy and be safe out there.